What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So today it's something a bit different. Normally we're all about selling cars. Today we're talking about an issue that is so common. I deal with this all of the time, and that is the 2012 Ford Focus with a water leak. So basically what happens is at the back of the bumper there's some vents. They silicone them on or glue them on or whatever they use, but shit, it's Ford. So basically they fail, the vents then let water in, and what you get is what I'm about to show you. Disgusting. You can see we have got a car full of mold. So the first thing you can do, basically, if you're searching YouTube right now trying to find out if this is where the water's coming from your car, the easiest way to figure that out, flip the camera around, lift your seats up, and if it's wet here, which it is both sides, this is your issue. So what happens is the water comes down here behind the bumper as a vent here, runs down here, runs down the side, and then runs into the car. So let's basically sort this out. I don't have my filming equipment, I don't have my stand, I don't have my GoPro, I don't have anything, because I thought I was just coming to work today and I was going to crack on. Didn't realise that we had this car in stock, or came into stock. So I will film as much as I can. Some of the footage is going to be rested on stuff and just trying to make it work for you guys so you can see. But the first thing that you've got to do is deal with the issue. So there are two bungs either side behind the rear bumper. So just under there, take a screwdriver out and pop those out. So I'll try and set the camera up now so you can see that. As you can see there's like a little rubber. So as you can see, there's already water starting to drip out of it. I'll get you guys in to see. And that is what's been getting in the car. So just leave that to run out. Do the same on the other side. So again, as you can see, starting to drip water on my head. And there you go, that just flooded out of there. Now it's dripping down. So that's the first part, is being able to get the water out so it doesn't come back. So now we have got the issue that's causing the mold done. As long as you've got those open, it doesn't come back. I've done this on so many cars and it doesn't come back. So put a mask on and start cleaning. So I'm going to use a steam cleaner to make sure that I get rid of all of that mold at the end. I'm going to start literally with a little Henry Hoover. Hoover as much of this up, put a mask on, as I've said, I'll say that again. And then we will get some APC, some strong cleaning solution, spray it all down, drill brush it, Hoover it again, steam clean it. So yeah, try and do it in a ventilated area. And yeah, let's talk more action it. Let's go.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy, I overdose. I need it one more time. But baby, then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night. Cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time. But baby, then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you. With you. I am committed cause I know it's you I want. Hope I'll never see you go home. I'll come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time.
As you can see, a lot of that mold's coming off with just a hoover, but it is hard for me to hold the phone and hoover as well. So I'm going to put the phone down for 15 minutes, carry on hoovering this side, and then we'll catch up on the other side when I'm hoovering that. Cool. Okay, so just sprayed all this down and then brushed it. So we're starting to need to be re-hoovered again, obviously, but a lot better. So again, I just take a really strong cleaning chemical. Normally you would really water it down, but I try and keep it strong so it basically gets into it, and then rub it into everything. Get your cloth, wipe it away, and then remember, you can put the APC on absolutely everything. You can basically soak the car in it. It's gonna kill any of the bacteria, and we're still gonna come back and then steam clean it as well. So really make sure. So when I'm spraying APC, I'm literally spraying it everywhere. I'm gonna brush everything down, and yeah. So as you can see, that's a huge difference already. So the next step, we're going to steam clean and really make sure that we got all of that mold fully out, dead, whatever you say with mold. And then we're going to wet vac. So you need to make sure that obviously if you do have water still, because sometimes when you push it, yeah, hear that? Still loads of water there. So you need to wet vac that. Turn the, at the end of the video, turn the car on, heaters on fully, open the window literally just a smidge on the front two, and leave the car running for like 2 hours. As you can see that there's water inside, because the window will be like that. All the time the window will be like that if there's water inside. So obviously, let's talk more action. Let's start steam cleaning out this side of the car. I'm just about to start scrubbing all the pieces that go in the boot. Yeah, so we're getting there. We are getting there. So we're definitely winning. So we got all the back and put back together. Still got to be steam cleaned, but obviously down there it's just still plastic, so that's all been wiped down, sanitized and cleaned. So at this point we've got everything cleaned out of the car, everything's been steam cleaned. It's proper decent clean, to be honest. It's nice and clean. So now we're going to start with the seat extraction. So we've got this missile, just cleaned it out, so basically we're going to see how much sludge comes out. So obviously the interior now looks fine, but we're going to obviously make it look better. There's a few little marks on the seats. Floor, the camera picks that up, but there's definitely still moisture there. So now it's a case of just wet vaxing everything out so it's nice and dry, and obviously clean the seats. Let's go. Check the sludge. Not too bad. Considering we cleaned it, then we extracted, it is gross. So there we have it, guys. We are all done. Literally took about 4 or 5 hours. Let's have a look at what we've got. Got the car running at the minute with the window slightly open, as I said, with the fans on full. Let's have a look around. So I've got these up so that they will dry under there. Obviously, let's put it down. Back up. This driver's seat was horrendous. There we go, guys, all done. If you've got a 2012 Ford Focus, this video is definitely for you. If you've got Mould, definitely for you as well. So the car's just going to dry now. That's me done. As always, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Peace.